Today I'm going to be showing you how I made my guest book for my wedding. I used my Glowforge to cut out this shape. You can find my design at my Etsy shop or knfdesign.com. It's in my shop as well. Those are both available for you. And if you don't have a Glowforge, you can also use like a Cricut machine and cut these shapes out of vinyl or cardstock. Cricut machines can also cut larger shapes that are simple out of wood. The Cricut Maker with the knife blade works best for that. Just make sure you use a purple strong grip mat and tape down your wood. But for the smaller pieces, like my name and date, you'll need to either use vinyl or a Glowforge. I'm just placing my wood pieces on my board, and then I will glue them down. The hearts I'll put in random spots. And I'll probably use a super glue just to make sure that they are on well. I'm using my wood cutout to help me space my letters correctly, and then a toothpick to apply my glue. So since this is clear, it makes it a little difficult to see through and read it. So I'm going to be painting the back with one of my colors, this light pink, just so it's easier to see my words. I got this piece of clear acrylic from the hardware store and they cut it down to size for me for free. And then I used Avery clear sticker paper and printed it with, I used a laser printer, but a regular inkjet printer will also work with this paper. And I just printed my design, the flowers with the words like an image, on my printer and then stuck it onto my acrylic like a sticker. You could use the Cricut print then cut to cut the exact shape, but I didn't think it was necessary, so I just cut it out with scissors after I printed it. Makes the flowers pink show up a little bit more, and I did a little bit of a messy look, but you could paint all of it. I hope you've enjoyed this and it's helped you make either some signs for a wedding or a celebration or something like that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps my channel. And for more information, head to knfdesign.com. Thanks. Happy crafting.
No, then, what are you doing to it?